Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do dropshipping business from Amazon into your TikTok shop. So as you know, nowadays there are a lot of people who have been making a lot of money through TikTok shop, whether as a seller or maybe as an affiliator. And there are actually much more ways to be a seller on TikTok than to be the one who have to keep the product on stock and then sell it directly into your customer. You can actually do some other business such as being a drop shipper, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this tutorial. First things first, you're going to want to obviously have an Amazon account, and then before you start searching for a product to be sold on your TikTok shop, you're going to want to make sure that the product that you do take from Amazon is going to be able to be shipped into your customer. So I'm currently living in Indonesia, and as you can see, I've set my Amazon location into Indonesia here, and you can see that there is a pop-up notification that says that Amazon is going to show the item that will be able to be shipped into my countries. And in order to see items that ship to different countries, all you have to do is change the delivery address. So I'm just going to dismiss it for now because I do want my customer or my TikTok shop buyer to be the one who lives in my country. So the setting is perfect, and now we can start by searching on the product. Now when you're trying to search for a product, I do recommend you to stick to one supplier if you can, meaning that, for example, if you would want to focus on selling jewelry, try to go with only one supplier so that it's not going to make it hard for you to keep track, or it's going to make it easier for you to make sure that the product do have a good quality. I think that if you try to find a similar product and they all comes from different supplier, it's going to be very hard for you to maintain the quality of the product. So first, obviously set on the category of the product that you will want to sell. And if you don't know, don't worry, you can always scroll around on Amazon. As you can see, they're going to give you a bunch of categories that you can take a look at, like this one's right here. This one is for tires, and then they have one for personal care. They have ones for toys. They have ones for beauty. So you can go ahead and take a look at these categories and decide your products from there. Now I'm going to focus on either beauty essentials or jewelry or accessories. So I think I'm going to focus on accessories first. So let's say I'm going to search for some bracelet, and we'll see what we get from there. So I'm going to go to find bracelet for women, and here are some of the product that pops up. Playing around with the filters that are available on the left side here is also going to be very helpful in product curation. So obviously you're going to want to filter for product that is only for star higher ups to make sure that you'll be able to satisfy a customer with the product. Because again, when it comes to drop shipping, if you are not the type of person who will want to order one for yourself first, this is basically a gamble. You don't know what kind of product your customer will receive, so make sure that you also try to find a product that have a lot of buyer history as well as a lot of review. Now let's try and take a look at some of the product. So this one's right here actually have more than 4 stars, but it only have 9 ratings, even though there are 500 people who bought this bracelet. And I don't really trust a product that has a lot of buyer but a very little rating. So I think I'm just going to skip this one and try to find something that looks more believable. Like this one actually have a lot of buyers as well as a lot of reviewers. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and see how it looks like. So here, once we open the product page, we'll be able to see more details about it, like the material, the descriptions, etc. And if we scroll down, we will be able to see the review of this product. So they have some videos, they have some product knowledge, which is really nice. And then if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see the customer review. So here are the things that you will want to pay attention on. If they have pictures and video, it's going to be better because it's going to help you with the judgment of the quality of the product. So make sure to take a look at the review and read as much as you can before you decided to sell this on your TikTok shop. So what I like to do when I'm trying to do drop shipping from Amazon to TikTok is that besides saving the commercial pictures, I would like to save 1 or 2 review pictures just so that I can give some real pic on my pictures later on. So all I have to do is right click on the picture, save the image, and then we're going to use it for later on our TikTok shop. So again, let's say that you will want to sell this product right here. All I have to do is download the available picture. So again, let's say I want to download this one, so it's going to be save as, and then if what appears here is going to be a web page, you're going to want to convert it later on into JPEG or maybe PNG. Just make sure that it's going to be on picture format. So for now, you can just go ahead and save the image. Alright, and once you're done, you're going to want to go to your TikTok shop seller center. So go ahead and log into your TikTok shop seller center. And once you go into your dashboard right here, what you want to do is go to this product sections right here and then click on add new product. And here you're going to want to add the detail of the product. We can start with the pictures here, and all you have to do is click on this upload from local file options and then add your pictures. They will usually encourage you to upload more than 5 pictures, so that is going to give a good descriptions for your product. And then for the product name, all you have to do is just copy on this product name right here. You actually have the option to make it shorter if you want. You don't really have to use everything, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to use it just as it is. And as you can see, TikTok then is going to read the category automatically, but if you would like to add more category, you can just click on this please select a category text box and then type in the category that you want. And here you can enter your product detail. You can copy the one from here and then this one's as well. And you can even download this additional product knowledge pictures right here and then upload it on the product descriptions option. And on the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see the preview of your products right here. And this is basically what your customer will be able to see when they're looking at the product at your shop. So once you're done with all of the details, etc., all you have to do is click submit for review, and then you got your product added into your TikTok shop. Now, as for the price, this is basically up to you. You can actually add a little bit more to the cost. For example, if this one's right here cost around $17.95, you can try to sell it on TikTok for $18 if you want, so that you will get some additional profit. But I do recommend you not to make too much of a gap. And also make sure to pay attention to any available discount. So some product actually give discounted prices for customers, but I think it's a little bit of a gamble if you try to put the discounted price as your main price in your TikTok shop, because there is a possibilities where they will stop giving the discount and sells the product on the normal price. So make sure you pay attention to the discount that is going on if you do want to put the discounted price as your main price on your TikTok. I personally wouldn't want to do that. Even if I do, I'll have to make sure I meticulously follow the supplier account so that I will not miss any price changes and ended up having a loss. And that's basically it. That is how you can do dropshipping business from Amazon to TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.